Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Marty Hernandez, licensed real estate broker and the VP for Sales and Marketing of Maharlika Properties and Homes Corporation. So in this video, ipapakita namin sa inyo ang aming project inside Brookside Hills Subdivision and Cainta, Rizal. But itong project na to is actually Antipolo ang kanyang title because the property is along the boundary line between Cainta and Antipolo. So right now sa likod natin nakikita natin yung aming guardhouse and yung gate, and the whole subdivision is meron ng perimeter fence. So may bakod na yung whole project. So titingnan natin later yung mga amenities na kasama inside our project. And this is actually a 2.1 hectare small gated community. Meron siyang elevation of 100 meters above sea level. So ngayon punta tayo sa loob and let's explore our project. Let's go. So our project has two gates. Yung dinaanan natin is the main gate. Meron pa siyang isa sa kabila and we will see that later. So now let's go to our amenities and let's go sa Clubhouse. So since this is a 2.1 hectare small gated community, pwede mo actually lakarin yung buong subdivision. Very secured, tahimik dito. Kahit tanghali, hindi ganun kainit kasi maraming puno and again, mataas yung elevation niya. So hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa Antipolo to live in a very highly elevated property. So pwede na dito and mas malapit ka pa sa Metro Manila since nasa Cainta ka, diba? Punta tayo again sa Clubhouse and let's keep on walking. So before we continue touring our amenities, meron kami promo for 2020 which is actually a promo for the month of January. So ngayon January 2020 lang and we are giving 200,000 discount on the total contract price, and above that magbibigay din kami ng 10% discount sa ibabayad nyong down payment. So for example, ang total contract price is 5.2 million. Ang magiging contract price na lang niya is 5 million. 20% yung down payment, so that's 1 million. And kung nagbayad kayo ng 1 million, ang down payment yun na lang na ibabayad is 900,000 kasi less than 10%. Yun. So kung gusto nyo maka-avail, contact the details down here. Akin din yun. So for all of the agents, brokers, and clients, just contact me. So ayun yung contact details. Yan. So yan, nakita nyo yung bahay sa likod. Yan ay malaking bahay, 350 square meters, but we have properties na around 120 square meters lang yung lot area hanggang 200 square meters. So we do pre-selling properties. As of now, wala kaming RFO. What we do is may mga designs kami na ino-offer sa clients and they have the freedom to alter the designs or yung layout depending on what they want and what they need. So for example, kung gusto nila ng extra kwarto sa baba para sa senior citizen, so pwede naman yon. So all you have to do is contact us and pwede natin pag-usapan sa office yon. So again, if you want to inquire, just contact me. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click on the bell button. Pero hindi pa tapos sa video, ipapakita pa natin yung amenities ng subdivision. So let's keep on walking again. We are here in the amenities part of the project, and sorry medyo madilim kasi against the light, but here on my left side is the clubhouse and here on my right side is yung swimming pool. So meron kiddie pool and adult pool. Tingnan muna natin yung swimming pool. Let's go. this is our swimming pool. So ang adult pool is may depth na around 4 feet and yung kiddie pool is around 2 feet. So meron ka din mga spotlight, so pwede ka mag night swimming dito. And of course meron ka shower and CR doon. Hindi pa nakita sa video. Yan. So meron kang shower and CR doon, so separated for male and females. Maganda yung hangin dito, so masarap mag-swimming. So actually nag-swimming kami dito minsan sa gabi after work. Kaya masasabi ko talaga na masarap mag-swimming kasi tahimik, mahangin. So pwede rin kayo kumain dito sa may part ng Clubhouse kung gusto nyo na rin mag-lunch. Ang aming rule lang sa subdivision kung magtatayo ng bahay is dapat modern yung design mo para nagko-conform sa ibang house. Now let's go inside the Clubhouse and explore. So this is our clubhouse and it can hold around 100 people. So kung gusto nyo magpatibo, magpa-party, magpa-birthday party, kung ano mang gusto nyo occasion, pwede. Sa ibang videos ko, ibang vlogs ko, ito rin yung ginamit namin settings sa vlog ko about sa baptism ng aking inaanak. So link here. And para sa surprise ko kay Roxanne, ito rin yon yung video na yun. Ito rin yung location. So link here in the info cards. Pasok muna tayo para mas makita pa natin yung clubhouse. Let's go. So dahil open yung clubhouse namin, mahangin siya. So kahit hindi na kayo mag-electric fans, minsan tumatambay kami dito sa tanghali pag magte-tripping, pinapakita dito. And gusto nila kasi mahangin dito sa clubhouse. So meron ka ditong space for your kitchen needs. So kapag may mga catering or gusto nyo maglagay ng food, pwede nyo ilagay dito. And sa likod, makikita nyo na parang may stage. So kung mag-perform kayo, kung gusto nyo magsalita, mag-speech, pwedeng gawin nyo doon. So makikita nyo yung design ng clubhouse is parang zen siya kasi may mga bamboos, tapos kulay white, and very relaxing. And sa tabi ng clubhouse, andito yung basketball court na titignan natin in a while. Pero sa likod ng clubhouse naman, meron din playground for your kids. So tignan natin yon and again, explore the clubhouse. Let's go. This is the back part of our clubhouse. So meron parang park ka dito sa left side and para may space for your kids to play. And maglalagay din kami ng benches para maging park talaga. So this is a nice place para kayo ay tumambay, magstay to relax while watching other people playing basketball or kung may mga friends kayo na dinala dito or relatives. So now let's go see our basketball court. This is our basketball court. So medyo madilim ngayon kasi 6 o'clock na. And magkakaroon naman ng ilaw for kung gusto nyo maglaro sa gabi. And this is a whole court talaga, standard sized. And yun, kung gusto nyo magpalaro ng basketball, I know marami sa inyo nanonood na gusto maglaro ng basketball. So kasi kami rin, gusto rin namin as a family sa gumawa ng project. Kaya naglagay talaga kami. So ngayon pag-usapan naman natin yung mga bahay na binebenta namin. May nakatira na kasi we do pre-selling properties. Kaya of course pag pre-selling, gagawin pa lang yung bahay. Since pre-selling nga siya, meron kaming mga designs na ipapakita sa inyo. Then we will talk about it in the office. Then pwede nyo explain sa amin or share sa amin yung mga gusto nyong palitan or okay na ba sa inyo yung designs na yun. Again, you have the freedom to have what you want sa bahay nyo kasi kayo naman nagbabayad nun. Pero if you're interested about the house tour of this property, meron akong ginawang video about that. So lalagay ko sa info card here or in the link in the description below. Siya yung modern Zen house na ginawa kong video. You can also visit our website maharlikaland.com para sa aming mga designs na pwede namin i-offer sa inyo. FYI, ako din gumawa ng website na yan. So kung gusto niyo magpagawa ng website, just contact me also. So for our houses, meron kaming townhouse, single detached and single attached. And again, makikita niyo yun sa aming website. Or you can message me para sendan ko kayo ng mga details about our houses. For the payment terms, of course, pwedeng cash or bank. Pero kung pag-ibig nyo ay babayad, pwede naman. Pero kayo na maglalakad nun. For the banking, any major bank naman pwede. And of course, yung promo na sinabi ko na discounts for January 2020, make sure na mag-reserve na kayo and contact us. So lalagay ko yung other details about our office. So ang office namin ay sa Ortigas Extension sa Fort, tapat ng Fort, Cainta. Kung nakita nyo yung Tile Depot na building, kami yung sa second floor. Or kung nakikita nyo yung Luminous House, kami yung katabing office nun. For licensed agents and brokers na gusto makipag-partner with us, just contact me and we can get you accredited. And for clients, just contact me for your inquiries. Ang office hours namin is from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. from Mondays to Saturdays. So again, nalagay ko yung contact details. So pwede nyo akong hanapin doon or si Ate Jenny, yung secretary namin. That's it for this video. I hope nag-enjoy kayo or naging helpful ito sa paghahanap nyo ng property in Rizal. And again, just contact me and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click on the bell button para ma-notify kayo para sa new real estate video. This is Marty Hernandez, licensed real estate broker and the VP for Sales and Marketing for Maharlika Land Properties and Homes Corporation. And I will see you again in my next videos.